Hey everybody, it's Kelly Acheson at astampabump.com coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. So we came out to Phoenix, well actually we flew into Mesa and we came out here to Arizona for just a few days. And with the big snowstorm and then the freezing temperatures in the Midwest, we decided to extend our stay a little bit longer. So change of plans. I didn't have anything scheduled for my, Wednesday tip video. So I was desperately thinking, what could I share with you guys today that would be beneficial? And I think I came up with a really good idea. So I am going to show you how to copy a link and share it. And the reason why I'm going to show you this is because I get a lot of questions asking me, Kelly, that red Valentine card that you made, can you tell me XYZ about it? And I'm like, I made several red Valentine cards. Which one are you referring to? And then I always ask the person, can you send me a link to that card? And I think a lot of people maybe don't know how to do that. It's super simple. I'm gonna flip my screen around so I can go on my computer and show you how to do that. Hang tight. Okay, so when I get questions from people about different cards, the questions will come from, I saw your little purse on Facebook and I have a question about it. And I've made a lot of little purses. So it's helpful if you can send me the link to what you're talking about. And when you're on Facebook, if you notice there's a title right here. This happens to be on my Facebook business page. Right here underneath is a date, and when you click on that date, it takes you to the original post. Now, it doesn't really look like anything has changed, but what has changed is what's right up here in the address bar. Click on that, and then you're going to do a right click and copy it, and then you can put it in any type of social media. You can put it in a private Facebook message. You can go over and open up a email and you can send me the link. Here's the link. And just do a right click and paste. And this is actually a link. You're then going to say you're going to send this to Kelly Acheson. And you're going to say question about the purse. Question, let's see if I can type, about the purse. And this is going to be helpful for me because when I open this up, I'm just going to send this to myself. And when I open this up, here's the link to what you're asking me about. It's going to take me right to Facebook, right to that particular project so I know what you're talking about. So that's one way to do it in Facebook. The next way is if you're on my blog and you've scrolled down through a whole bunch of stuff on my blog and you have a question about this card, you can come back up here to the title of this particular blog post and click on it. When you do that, it changes the address, this is the URL address, to this post alone. No other posts will show up here. So you're going to click on that, and again, right click, copy it, and then you can take it any place and paste it and send it to me when you ask your question. So that's how you do it on my blog. What if you're on YouTube? You can go right to my YouTube channel and you're going to click on videos. That's going to bring up all the videos that I have. And then you're going to click on that particular video. Here's the link to that video. So you have a question about a project in there. You're going to come up here, you're going to right click, you're going to copy, and you're going to paste this into an email, a private Facebook message, whatever type of social media you're going to contact me with. So that's YouTube. Now, what about Pinterest? Let's say you have a question about my little Valentine card. Same thing applies here. You're going to click on it to make it bigger, and then you can click up here and copy and paste this address. Then when you send it to me, it'll take me right to that card. Now, when you find my stuff on Pinterest, one neat thing is that I've linked everything on Pinterest. So if I just click on this, it's going to take you right to my blog where you are going to see all the details about this card. And sometimes people ask me, what color ink did you use? If you scroll down the screen, you're going to find my shopping list. And what that means is that's all the ingredients that I used to make this particular card. And you can see that I use Real Red and Memento ink here. So don't hesitate to ask me questions. I love your guys' questions, and I'm always happy to help you. But I thought this would be a little learning experience, because when I say, can you send me the address? I know sometimes I have people who are like, I don't know how to do that. Now you know how to do it. The address is right up here. For a blog post, don't forget you have to click on the title. Otherwise, watch this URL change up here. This URL address, now it just goes to my blog. So whatever the last thing is that I put on my blog, that's what you're going to be sending me. You need to click on the title, watch the URL change. And here, it's just this post. When you go to the bottom, there's nothing else down here. I hope this has been helpful. It was just one great idea that I could come up with to share with you from my location in Phoenix, because I don't have any stamping supplies here. Thanks you guys so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Enjoy your Wednesday. Bye-bye.